Alright, YouTube. Oh my god. Today, it's Austin here, and today we are going to play White Noise. Now, I don't have the actual game. I'm playing the demo, but I will tell you, this is scarier than the Slender Man game. I literally just fucking screamed, and Tommy was like, what the fuck? But, oh god. White Noise Online. Start game. Random location on Nightmare. Alrighty. I'll tell you guys, this will scare the shit out of me. Alright, Tommy, I'm gonna get fucking scared, okay? Oh shit. I'm just gonna start by fucking running. Fuck, I'm never turning off my flashlight. Fuck, dude, do you hear that? It's all staticky. Where's this little asshole at? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Man, those radios piss me off how they go all staticky. Oh, fuck that. Run! Guys, YouTube, I am honestly scared to look anywhere. Slender Man. That's all I gotta say. Slender Man. Because I seriously want to play that more than I do want to play this right now. This shit is beyond scary, Tommy. Especially playing online. Oh, fuck that. I heard him. Uh-oh. Tommy, I hear heavy breathing. I hear heavy breathing. Oh, fuck. I'm about to seriously shit bricks right now. Fuck that! Fuck that! Tommy, my heart. Ah! Holy shit. He just fucking popped up out of nowhere. Oh my fucking god. I died. Oh, fuck. Well, let's be dumbasses and see where I traveled. I'm trying to see how much I traveled. Damn. Wait, it records when you stream?